up everybody, JC with Stoner Car Care. As you can see, it's pumpkin spice season. And although it's sad we say goodbye to summer, we get to say hello to sweatshirt weather, football, and more importantly, you get a great chance to do a fall reset on your car. Be sure to like and subscribe for more videos. Like all of our detailing videos, you're going to want to start with a clean car to minimize any damage you do to your surface. So use your favorite car wash, and we recommend a 2-bucket system to keep that super clean. Also, if you haven't touched your wheels in a long time, fall is a great time to reset your wheels. So get your favorite wheel brush, favorite tire and wheel cleaner, and we're going to do a deep clean on that. For your interior, whether you're using leather or upholstery, your favorite cleaner, as well as a vacuum to get rid of some of that fall debris falling from the trees. Finally, we're going to seal it with your favorite sealant, detailer, or wax. We recommend starting with the interior first to give your carpets plenty of time to dry while you're detailing. But first, remove all the big debris with your vacuum. Vacuum the mats thoroughly. Next, clean with an upholstery brush and cleaner. Finish up with a final vacuum step and then place outside to dry. So your car's been vacuumed out, your car mats are out drying in the sun. Next step on the interior is to use your leather cleaner and conditioner. For more detail on how to clean and protect your leather, check out our dedicated leather video here. Washing your car during the fall is about the same as any other time of year. Make sure you pick a nice, warm, sunny day if it's too cool out, and pay attention to the cowl below your windshield for any clogging in your drains. Make sure you blow them free with leaves and any other debris that's falling out of the trees. The fall is a great time of year to do a deep clean on your wheels. So we're going to use a brush and our favorite wheel cleaner to get that deep down grime in your wheels. While you're at it, with the temperatures getting cooler, it's a great time to check your tire pressure in your tires, as well as the tread depth in your wheels, so you make sure you have enough grip when it starts getting wet. As we're about to start our exterior wash, we're going to let the wheel cleaner work in and penetrate that dirt while we wash the car, and then we'll come back and scrub and rinse in a little bit later. Now that your tires are prepped, go ahead and wash the car. Now that the car has been washed, remember to go back and scrub the wheels and tires. Now that your car has been properly cleaned, the final step, as always, is to seal it with your favorite wax, sealant, or detailer. Now that the changes in temperatures are pretty dramatic in the fall, you might want to pay special attention to the inside of your glass with an anti-fog, or seal the outside of it with a rain repellent. Thanks for watching our video, and we'll see you next time. All right, give me my regular coffee.